Hi, I'm Tim Curtis, the owner of Waconia Ford. I wanted to take a moment and let you all know that I appreciate the opportunity to help and assist you in your new or pre-owned vehicle search. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any one of my executive management team or my store managers, and we'll be sure to get back to you in a timely fashion. One thing I wanted to make sure that I did was to take a moment to explain to you is just how much my wife and I have fell in love with the community over the past 14 years since we first came here. Our children were born and raised right here in Minnesota. One belief that not only my wife and I both share, but the entire Waconia Ford family shares, is the love and support that Waconia has shown for us. And we couldn't be more proud of that belief. That is why we felt it was important to make sure that we give back to this great community that has taken care of us for so many years. Waconia Ford has donated thousands of dollars each year, giving back to this great community through some great and wonderful organizations in the Waconia area. Some of those organizations are Folds of Honor, Relay for Life Annual Walkathon, Southern Valley Alliance for Battered Women, Drive for Your School, Drive for Your Community, Waconia Baseball Grandstand Project, and many, many more. You know, the world keeps changing, technology keeps changing, business keeps changing, but the one thing that never changes is our commitment to you, our customers. Thank you again for giving us the opportunity to serve you, and thank you for making us who we are today.